Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. So on that note, let's start this video. So this is week 5 programming assignment of Python data structures assignment using Python. So here they gave certain information. So I will show you the code for the program directly. Guys, it is somewhat a lengthy code, so I will show the code in parts. So I will divide the code and I will show you in parts so that you will not confuse between the lines. So friends, this is the first part. You can pause the video here itself and note it down, or take a screenshot, or you can pause the video and parallelly you can do that uh, in your system. So this is first part of the code. Actually, for your understanding, I have divided the code into parts because it cannot be shown directly in one frame of the screen because it is somewhat lengthy. So I am showing this in the parts. Guys, be careful with the indentation because all these should be written within the def. I mean within the function, sort key function. You have to write all these 4 lines. So that's why I have marked it with a line. So please carefully watch it, and sometimes there will be capitals and small letters. You can carefully observe that because even a single mistake can stop your execution. Guys, this is not L, it is 1, number 1. So hope you have noted it down. I will copy this and paste it on the compiler. So I have pasted it here. I will again zoom this for you. So this is the first part of the code. So hope you have noted it down. I am zooming back. So next I will show you the second part of the code. So this is first part, and moving on to the second part. So this is the second part. So I am copying this. Guys, here it is capital C, not small c, and here it is small c. Please carefully note it. In checkouts, C is capital, the initial letter. In current, it is small c. Please note that difference. So I am going to copy this, and I will show you combinedly the indentation, how it worked. So this is the indentation. It should be in a same line. It should be in a same line with definition. These 4 statements are inside the definition, inside the function, but these should be straight to the definition, the function of sort key. So hope you have noted it down. I'm going to copy this now and paste it here. So guys, write a parallel to the function. So this is the form of the code. I will zoom this. So it should be like this. It is the structure, and I am again zooming back. Hope you have noted it, and I will show you the third part. So this is first one and this is second part, and I will show you the third one now. So this is the third part of the code. So note it down fastly, quickly. the structure will be like this. It should be also in a same line with the function like this, and within the while loop it should, this line is equal to input, this line should be there statement, and parallel to the line if statement should be written, and within the if statement, if statement, if condition, these two lines should be written. Once again I will show you. Within the definition, within the sort key you should write these four lines, and it should be parallel to the function, and it is also same, and within the while loop you should write this one, these two. Within the if loop, if statement, you should write these two. The hierarchy should be like this. So I'm going to copy this third part and paste it here. So it should be like this, the structure is in this hierarchy. And let's see the fourth part of the code. Before that I will zoom this. So the structure, the hierarchy structure should be like this. I will show you the fourth part by zooming back now. So let me show you the fourth one. So this is the fourth part, elif. Previous third part I have shown you if part. This is elif. There are some more elif functions like this, elif statements. So once again see this. I will show you the structure now. So these two should be in the same line with the if statement, same line, and these two should be within if, and these two should be within elif, and the same here also within the elif. Guys, I have already shown you the third code along with the first two, so like that compare with the third one and follow these two blocks like that. Actually this is third part and this is now fourth part. So it should be same line with all these statements should be in same line. And for this one I have already shown you in the along with the first two parts, so follow it like that, and from the continuation you should do like this. So these two within the elif and these two also within the elif only, like this. And now I will show you the fifth part, but before that let me copy this and paste it here. It should be parallel with the if statement, so I am pasting it here. So you can see, I will zoom this again for you. So like this it should be parallel to the if statement. There should be two elif functions, two elif statements. Now I am zooming back and show you the next part of the code. So these are the next two elif statements. Similarly these two should be parallel with the other elif statements. I am copying this and I will show you how it works. So it should be like this. Parallel to the previous elif statements, and this should be within elif in the same line with this. So and these two should be within the elif statements. So this is, I think, the fifth part, right? So copy this. I will show you here. 1 minute. So copy this and paste it here. It should be parallel to the elif statements. So like this. It should be parallel to elif. All the elif and if are parallel. I mean in the same line. And these two are within that, and these two are within that, and it is within that. This is also within the elif. Accordingly, it should be also within elif. So let's see the other part. So I have shown you the fifth part. Let's go to sixth one. So this is the sixth part. I am copying this. Guys, note it down here itself. So this is sixth part, and there is no need to say that every elif is in the same line with the previous elif statements. So these two are should be in the same line with the previous elif statements and if statement. Hope you have understood this. So I am copying this. Hope you noted it down, and I am pasting it here. Guys, paste in the same, type in the same line along with the previous elifs. So it should be like this. I will zoom this for you. So it should be like this. Every elif should be same line, and the statements should be also be within the ellipse, these statements. So I am zooming back, and let's see the final one. So this is the final one, and these two statements are in parallel with the definition one, the function, not the ellipse. It should not be from here, it should be from starting. It should be parallel to the line of def sort list. First of all, I am going to copy this and show you practically. So I am pasting it here. So it should be here. I am zooming this. So guys, the last two should be in the same line of sort list function, but it is not correct. It is correct here, starting from the first onwards. It should not be defined in a function. It should be parallel with that function. Where you have written def, like that def function, it should be parallel to that last two lines. These two lines should be parallel to that, and within the for loop you should write these two statements. So hope you have noted it down. I am zooming back. Once again I will show you in the notepad. So these are the two lines. Please note it carefully. It should be capital C, checkouts. It should be capital C, and it is capital B, Okay, this is small p, print statement. Some are making mistakes here also. Some are using capital P here. It is small p, and sorted also small s. Here capital C, checkouts, and in currents it should be small c. I have also already mentioned in previous one. So friends, this is the code. Let's see the execution. So let's click on compile and run button. So guys, if you see that public test cases 2 by 2 passed, the status also passed. Guys, it is also possible for you, because it was possible for me, then it will also be possible for you. Don't worry, it seems to be big code, but you follow my process to divide the codes it will be easy for you. Just keep in the view that indentation should be properly done, then that's it, you will get the code executed. So both the statements are passed. Let's click on submit button to test private test cases. So there are 8 private test cases and all are passed. So our solution is 100% correct. Guys, don't give in the comments that the code is getting error like that, because I got the output, then you will definitely get the output. The only rule is that please follow the indentation correctly. Within this while loop, every if and elif should be done, and the last two statements should be in the same line with the def function, sort key function. So that's it. So if you see that final code, all all the if elif are in same line, but last two lines should be, last two should be in parallel with, it should be parallel with the sort list sort list function. That's it. So friends, this is the code regarding week 5 assignment. So for further, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. So for further more videos like this, keep supporting our channel. Until then, goodbye.